up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. In addition to dolls, I am all about the minis, like Rement. I bought this complete set on Amazon for $58. Yeah, Rement can get a little pricey, and I want to display it because it was $58. Often they do come with a little backdrop so you can set up a scene, but I've been making these little shadow boxes lately. I made this one for Briar horses, so let's make one for our Rement set. This frame is 11 by 14 inches, so it is a little large for our Rement set, but it's what I got, so I'm using it. Let's make a box using foam board. I cut a piece for the back. In previous videos, we've made the sides 1 1/4 inch, but today we're gonna cut them at 2 inches. I think 2 inches could hold a Barbie, so we're just gonna test that theory. Oh yeah, it definitely seems like just enough space to display a doll, but we'll have to save that for another project. Or maybe we can make a scene where we can use both our Rement and our Barbies. Using the box as a guide, let's paint the sky, paint the sides. Let's add a base for trees and bushes. Add a little hot glue for texture. Then add green and more green. I add a few layers of painted hot glue. I took some leftover paper flowers from a previous project, and we're just gonna paint them red. Then glue them inside the box. I bought these mushrooms from the dollar store. I glue one into the box to be a stool for the doll. I add a little foam board for a tabletop with a support beam underneath. Glue on fabric for a tablecloth. I added some hot glue details to my frame. Then I glue it on top. I add beads to the bottom and paint them black so it can stand up and we can use it as a backdrop. The box has pink flowers. I think we need more flowers. Maybe a few pink ones. Better. And now we can open the Rement. We have 8 boxes, each contain a different set of minis that I hope we can add to our scene. This is the Rement Wonderland Tea Party set. Let's go ahead and open these up. Our first one is the chair. It is super cute, but it is totally not gonna fit a Barbie. Maybe we can use it as a pet bed. Let's place it on one of the mushrooms. Then let's assemble the small cake stand. It's clear. I love the pattern on the top. Then we have a strawberry pie, and one of the slices are cut out, and there is a little gold-colored server. We can place them on the table in our little scene. There are also a few paper items that we can make. Just cut them out to make 2 playing cards, and some assembly might be required for the other ones. And let's move the chair closer to the table. Love this. But it is so not going to be fun to dust all these shadow boxes. In our second box, we have, ooh, the White Rabbit. Follow the White Rabbit, Neo. If you know that reference, leave it in the comments down below. But this little rabbit is adorable. It even has a little heart stand. We can place it on the table, on the ground, or in the chair. Oh, and the mushroom might be an option too. There's a jar of marmalade jam, a book for a Wonderland Tea Party, a heart-shaped teacup, a saucer that looks like a clock. There is tea to go in the cup, and there's a small silver spoon with a rose on the handle. I don't think I made the table large enough. And here are the paper accessories. We get some doilies, cards, and bookmarks. I'm just gonna save those for later. And open our third box, which is a clear table with a tablecloth that fits on top. There's a pattern. We have another cup and saucer, purple tea to go in the cup. There's a small hat with a band that we need to put on top. Then cut out the paper card to put in the band, which was totally not easy to do. Box number 4. Oh wow, we get a key and some cupcakes. There's a bottle for us to put little stickers on and a tag. There's a blue bottle and the little cork does come out. What? Do you take the red one or the blue one? There's a clear trunk that opens and a little gold key that can fit. And there are 2 cupcakes that can fit inside the trunk. And here are the paper accessories. Box number 5. Here are the paper items. Ooh, looks like we're getting candles and a picture frame. Yep, we do have to cut out the picture. Then we can place it in a little slot on the side of the frame. Oh, come on. There we go. Nope, not yet. Yep. All right, we're good. It looks like a black and white picture of Alice. Here's the candlestick, and the candles are removable. There's a small silver can. We can apply the included sticker, then add some tea and more tea, and then a little lid. There's also a little scooper with mushrooms on it, so we can have tea at our tea party. There's another teacup and a saucer where we can place tea, inside. Our table is getting kind of full. Maybe we can use a little poster putty to attach some of the items to the walls, so it looks like they're falling or being tossed in the air, along with a few of the playing cards. Box number 6 gives us a menu. Let's cut it out and add it to the table. We get a second clear table with a tablecloth, an hourglass, a teapot with a top, and I think this is a cover for the teapot. Attaching some of the minis to the wall with poster putty is totally solving my space issue. And let's put the rabbit on the table so it looks like he is running across the table and items are getting thrown in the air. Let's open our 7th box. And inside we have a few cutouts, a gold-colored dessert stand with a plate that is removable, a pink flamingo with a flower, a clear vase, 4 roses, and it looks like someone's been painting them red. We have a green teacup and some tea, a green leaf saucer, 4 macarons in different shapes. Let's put those right here. And there's a small hedgehog. Let's put him right there. Wow, that rabbit really needs to be on time. We got little hedgehogs being thrown in the air and everything. And we are on our very last box. This is our 8th box. And I was having some trouble opening it. Inside we have our paper accessories and the cat. I am totally placing this one in the chair. We have a tiny little creamer with milk inside, a yellow sugar bowl with sugar. There's even one loose sugar cube. I really hope I don't lose that. And then there is a lid. Oops. Tiny little paw tongs. Okay, I kind of love them because I have life-size ones. There's another teapot, but this one has a cat and a cute little teacup. We can put tea inside, and we have a saucer with little paw prints on it. Let's add it to our scene to complete our Wonderland Tea Party. It's in a shadow box so we can hang it on the wall as 3D art and use it as a backdrop for dolls. I bought this dress from Marianne's Doll Boutique on Etsy a while back. We can place it on a Barbie. Destiny with long hair volunteered. Place the doll in the scene for a little fun, allowing us to use our Rement Wonderland Tea Party with our dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some minis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!